Wild animals. Wild animals lives in the forest. Lion, elephant, giraffe, fox, rabbit, fox, monkey. Birds fly in the sky. Lion is the king of the forest. Lion is the king of the forest. Elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal. Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Rabbit likes carrot. Gunning animal. Fox is the gunning animal. Monkey likes banana. Monkey likes banana. Wild animals.